Welcome back, everybody. Let's look at another slightly difficult example of a piecewise function, and let's see how we can graph this. First, let's begin by making our coordinate plane. We can mark off the increments, let's say 6 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna make some space here. 6. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now our first function, x squared, which is just a parabola, is restricted for values that are less than 2. We all know a parabola simply looks like this. It's just a rough sketch. Now we know that the function ends at the function ends at 2. Since the function ends at 2, we won't be needing all this. But where exactly does it end? So what we do is we can take 2, plug it into the equation. We're going to get 2 squared, which is just 4. So it's going to end at 1, 2, 3, and 4. So somewhere here. So we can fix this by doing this. And since 2 is not included, we're going to put an open circle right here. And don't forget, the function keeps going on this side. The second equation, which is 6, if x is equal to 2, what that means is that at 6, it should be a horizontal line, but because the function is defined at x equals 2, it's just going to be a dot. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm just going to put a shaded dot here. Our third function, we have 10 minus x if x is greater than 2 and x is less than or equal to 6. So how do we do this? We can plug in 2 for x. We get 10 minus 2, which is 8. That means that at 8, y equals 8, at 2 is where the line is going to start. So actually, we have to extend our line here, add 2 more units. Like I said, putting 2 in for x, we get 10 minus 2, which is 8. And it's a non-shaded dot, since 2 is not included. So it's just going to be an open circle. There's also another restriction, which is x is less than or equal to 6. So that means at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the function is going to lie somewhere here. Now we know 10 minus x. 10 minus x is just y equals, well, 10 minus x. We know the slope is negative, so it's definitely going to be towards the left, something like this. If we plug in 6 for x, we get 10 minus 6, which is 4. And at 4, at y equals 4, is where the function is going to end. So 1, 2, 3, 4 at 6. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units to the right and up 4 units. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right here. And since since 6 is included, it's going to be a shaded dot. And all we have to do is just connect those dots. So it's going to be something like this. So that's it for this example. Please go ahead and like this video and subscribe. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section below. And we'll see you next time.